Well, Peter has keratoconus, and he had multiple surgeries, he had corneal transplants, he developed cataracts, and all of them pretty much failed, so that he could see only some shapes and count fingers, and it really affected his life. So I met him, and I could see that I could help him. Repeat a corneal transplant, do a cataract surgery, put a lens that matches the transplant so he can see. So first I operated on his left eye, where I removed the cataract and put a lens in, and also adjusted his corneal transplant. So he was seeing really well, even well enough to drive without glasses, which for keratoconus is a pretty good achievement. And then in the right eye I also removed his cataract. Initially we kept his old cornea, so I put the lens that matched his eye, and he was seeing well, but not well enough because his keratoconus continued to kill his cornea, and it was really ectatic and was really nearsighted. So I did a whole new corneal transplant, and I put a secondary lens to match the transplant. And as it comes out, a month after surgery, he's seen 20/25 uncorrected. He's very happy. He can function. That makes me very happy that he can do that.
My name is Peter Sanchez. I was diagnosed with keratoconus at around 20 years, and I wandered around for 10 years looking for a doctor. I had the luck to meet Dr. Oleynikov, who's just the most amazing doctor I've ever been treated by. And I've seen lots of doctors over the years before coming here. And as I started to interact with him and he started to treat me, I realized that I had a doctor who wasn't in it just for the money, or wasn't in it just, you know, through the routines. He is so passionate about what he does. He explains everything to me. And when he says, you're going to see good and I'm going to make your eyes good, there's no doubt in my mind that he'll use every tool at his disposal to make your vision better. And they got some pretty amazing tools down at that surgery center. And, you know, I mean, he just explains everything. He's so confident in when he talks to you. And again, he said a couple of times to me, again, I was legally blind. He says, I'm going to get you where you don't need glasses. And a month after my surgery, I'm seeing 20/25 out of my eyes. So, again, at first I was a little intimidated by his age, but he is as good as they get. I mean, I really have to say, you know, something put Dr. Oleynikov in my life, and I just couldn't be happier, and thank him every day for what he's done for me. And, you know, there's really no pain I mean, I have not had any pain, any discomfort with this cornea transplant that he did. I mean, so he's technically as good as they get, because again, I've had other doctors that did the other 2 transplants, and Dr. Oleynikov did this 3rd one, and it's just absolutely amazing. So he's so fortunate to meet Dr. Oleynikov and have Dr. Oleynikov in my life. Yes, here I am, 20/25, a month after my surgery. So I went from legally blind to 20/25 in a month, and you know, it's just amazing how much where I went from to where I am now in less than a month is just absolutely miraculous. That's all I can say. And again, this is my 3rd cornea transplant. The first one with Dr. Oleynikov, and it's been just tremendous. So I urge anybody that has keratoconus or again, a cornea issue to please come down and see Dr. Oleynikov. Thank you, sir. It's miracle work over here.